Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how to notarize a citizenship immigration documentation affidavit. The purpose of this form, as it says, is intended to collect information required for this student's financial aid application and has to be completed by a notary public. Now, there are some instructions here where I do need to pay attention to because it's letting me know that I need to review the photo ID to confirm the student's identity. I need to review their citizenship documentation to assure it belongs to the person that is signing the document, and that I also need to sign and notarize certifying this student's citizenship. And so looking at this document, some of the information has been filled out, but there are multiple places to sign. And I also need to put information about the documents that they are sharing with me that I have reviewed as the notary. So the signer's name is Aisha. She has put her last name and her student ID. There is a place for Aisha's signature here. So we can just drop that signature right now. So we can type the hotkey of S to put Aisha's signature, but she's not going to sign until we've said the oath and everything is done, but we're just prepping it. So let's put a hotkey of D for date, and I put that here. And now I have to put information about the document that Aisha has provided to me. So let's say she's giving a driver license. So I'm going to put a T for a text box, and I'm going to put driver license. Put that here. Expiration date of photo ID. So let's just say I have a text box that says 11/25/2027. This is the expiration date. Issuing authority of valid photo ID. I'm going to press a text box and put State of Connecticut. And I also need to put the photo ID document number. And so I'm going to press T, and I'm going to put the number on Aisha's driver's license. And name of citizenship and or immigration document. So whatever Aisha shows to prove their citizenship, I'm going to put that here. So I can put a text box, and I'm going to say ID card. And it says expiration date, if any, of citizenship and or immigration documents. I'm going to put a T, and I'm going to write no expiration. Okay, and now we're at the part where we need to put some signatures. So, and I'm going to give Aisha the oath that she has filled this out to the best of her knowledge or belief and that it is true. And then we can start dropping our signature. So this is also reiterated in this portion where the student knows that if they provide false or misleading information, it is punishable by fine or imprisonment. So this is a pretty serious document. So I'm going to press the hotkey of S so I can put Aisha's signature here. And I'm also going to press D for date, and I'm going to put the date here. Now I need to put my name, so I'm going to drag and drop, and I'm going to put my name here, and also an S for my signature. So I'm going to adopt this signature, and I put my signature here. And now on the second page, we have another signature portion. So let's press S for signatures. We're going to choose Aisha again. Put that there. Put a D for the date. And I'll bring this over. My name again. And a hotkey of 1 for my name. And then an S for my signature. And I can drop that here. I want to put the signature date, so I'm going to press D for the date to pop up. And my commission expiration, which is the hotkey of 7. And put that here. And I don't want to forget to drop my seal, so I'm going to press N. And put my seal here. So before I finish this session, make sure that everything is filled out and complete. I'm going to ask Aisha if this is correct, and then I can go ahead and complete the session. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.